What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about another ticker, natural gas, of course, ticker symbol UNG. And now let's dive right into it, which is up almost 8% on Friday, 71 cents. And not only that, after hours sitting close to $10. So this thing has more room to the upside. And look at this insanity, guys. On Friday, 35 million shares traded here on UNG, and this thing exploded with massive volume right here. Now, if you look at my screen, we're getting a bit frothy, bit overextended, especially if you look at this upper Bollinger Band. So yes, there is a pullback possible going into next week, down to $9.29. So far, if you look at my screen, we have positively sloped on this 5 SMA and also 20 and 13. So if there is a pullback, there is a dip buying opportunity here on UNG. I'm not on this one. I got Boyle, and that one also going up massively. Friday was a massive explosion, guys. And this ticker right here, a lot of you guys requested before, so I made one video, and I'm making another video for you guys. So make sure to drop a like. That really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you look at this one here, guys, there is more upside, like I said. Yes, in the short term, we could see a slight small pullback down to $9.29 or possibly down to $8.81 or 80 cents down here where we got rejected before. Now, if you look at my screen, we got all those gaps open on top, especially the first one could get closed going into next week on Monday, $10.36. I mean, look at this, guys. Almost there. Only 37 cents needed to close this gap on top. And that should be, possible going into Monday here on UNG. Now, above that, if we can break that and hold that as a support, I would say $10, we're going to see a push all the way up to $11.25. And who knows? Within next few weeks, we could see UNG going all the way up to 1392 to fill this big gap all the way up here, and that is possible. And also, if you look at this weekly MACD here on UNG, we should have a cross to the upside here on UNG within maybe next 2 to 3 weeks. And if that happens, I mean, look at this last move right here. It was right around $21, went up to 34. And look at this one right here, guys. We got the cross. It was sitting around 15. This thing went up to $33. So, I mean, yes, there is still a lot of upside here on UNG, and I think it's going to happen, especially now that we are getting a lot of volume here on this one, and also on Boyle. This thing can go up even more. But if there is a small pullback, so far we have seen that pullbacks are getting, the dips are getting bought up really quickly on natural gas. A lot of demand out there. And that means one thing, we're going to see more upside here on UNG and also on Boyle. And this one here, guys, I mean, at least 1392, that is possible, right? That can happen. All these gaps. And not only here, I mean, look at this weekly chart. 1392, 1934. At least this gap can get filled here on top at 1392. And that could be happening in next couple of weeks here on UNG. So watch out for that move here on UNG. And to the downside as a support, if there is a pullback going into next week, Monday, $9.29, blue line 5 SMA. Below that, $8.80, all the way down here at $8.52, white line 20 SMA, a critical support here on UNG. So thank you so much, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.